Good morning, class. Today we will start chapter number 2, fractions. Okay, so first of all, we know what is fractions. So we know that a number in form of a upon b, where a and b are whole numbers and b is not equal to 0, is called fraction. So this is the definition of fractions. It means we know that a number in the form of a upon b in the form of numerator and denominator, where a and b are whole numbers. It means where the a and b are whole numbers and b is not equal to 0, it means denominator is not equal to 0, is called fractions. Okay, understand? So kinds of fraction. So there are different kinds of fraction. So first is unit fraction. So what is unit fraction? A fraction which has 1 as numerator is called a unit fraction. It means a fraction which has only one a numerator is called unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 15, 1 upon 31. Here the numerator is only 1. So we call that unit fractions. Okay, understand? Now see, the second is like fractions. So what are like fractions? Two or more fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. It means the fractions which have two or more than same denominators. It means 13, 13, 13. They are two and more same denominators. So we call them like fractions. Okay, understand? Now see, unlike fractions. So fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. They all are have different fractions. So we call them unlike fractions. Okay, they have different denominators. Here 2 upon 3, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 8, 4 upon 7. These all have different denominators. So we call them unlike fractions. Okay, understand? Now see, next one is proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. So the fraction जिस ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसमें न्यूमिनेटर कम हो डिनोमिनेटर से, उसे क्या कहते हैं? हम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2/5, 9/5. हियर द न्यूमिनेटर इज स्मॉल एंड द डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर, सो वी कॉल देम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ओके, now we will see improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. It means एक ऐसा fraction जिसमें कि numerator denominator से बड़ा हो, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? improper fraction कहते हैं. Okay, understand? And this is the equivalent fraction. Two or more fraction which represent same fractional number are called equivalent fraction. For example, 1/3, 2/4 and 3/5. 3/6 are equivalent fraction. It means if we divide 2/4 by 2, we will get 1 and 2, and if we divide 3/6, we will divide it by 3, we will get 1/2. So in short, they all are equivalent fraction, so we call them equivalent fraction. Okay, understand? Now see, mixed fraction or mixed numerals. So what is mixed fraction? A whole number along with a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction or a mixed numeral. For example, numbers such as 1, 3/5 and 4, 1/5 are mixed fraction or mixed numerals. Okay, understand? Now see exercise 2.1. So this is your exercise. Question number first. Which of the following are groups of like and unlike fractions? So we will separate them by unlike or like fractions. So first of all, first is given 1/9, 1/3, 1/12, 1/18. So these are unlike fractions because they all have different denominators. So we write it unlike fraction. Then next one is 17/13, 19/13, 1/13. They all have same denominator, so we call them like fractions. Third one is 4/11, 7/. They all also have same denominator, so we call them like fractions. And the fourth one is 2/9, 10/21, 11/10, and they all have different denominators, so we call them unlike fractions. Okay, So these are in this question 2 like fractions and 2 are unlike fractions. Okay, understand. Now see question number 2. Look at the following fractions and classify them as proper, improper and mixed fraction. We will classify them in 3 terms: proper, improper and mixed fraction. So first of all 23 upon 13. So we call them mixed fraction. Next is 9. So this is also mixed fraction. And 8 1 upon 2. So this is also mixed fraction. And 33 upon 37. So this is proper fraction because in its numerator is small and denominator is greater. So we will write here proper fraction. Okay. Now the next one is 2 12 upon 19. So this is like fractions. Sorry, improper fraction. So we will write here improper. Okay. Now see the next one. 2 3 2 by 7. So this is also improper fraction. 7 3 are 21, 21 plus 2 23 and 23 upon 7. So here the numerator is greater and the denominator is smaller. So we will write it improper fraction. Okay, understand. Now see the next one. 2 1 upon 3. This is called mixed fraction. And the last one. This is also improper fraction, because your denominator is smaller and numerator is greater. So we call them improper fraction. Okay, understand. Now find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 8 having numerator 36. यहाँ पर 3/8 दिया है जिसको हमको न्यूमिनेटर क्या बनाना है, 36 बनाना है. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd. First of all, we will see question number 3rd. Write the 3 equivalent fractions for each of the following. We have to find the equivalent fractions. Okay, so first is 2 upon 5. Find the equivalent fractions of these. So we will write here, if we multiply 2 upon 5 by 2, we will get, what should we get? 4 and 10. If we divide them by 2, we will get, what should we get? 2 upon 5. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So this is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. Yes. Now we have to find the 3 equivalent fraction. Now we multiply 2 upon 5 by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Okay. If we divide it by 3, we will get 2 upon 5. So divide them by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So we will get 2 upon 5. So this is also the equivalent fractions of 2 upon 5. And if we multiply 2 upon 5 by 5 upon 5, we will get 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. If we divide this term by 5, we will get 2 and 5. It means this is also the equivalent fractions of that number. Okay, understand. Now see question number 4th. The remaining questions of question number 3rd you can do. Question number 4th. Find the equivalent fractions of 3 upon 8 having numerator 36. We have to find the equivalent fractions of 3 upon 8 having the numerator 36. So here the numerator is 3 and we have to make the numerator 36. Okay. So how it will? First of all, we will write the question 3 upon 8 having numerator 36. Okay. So since solution, since numerator is 36, we will write it 12 into 3. So 12 into 3 is 36. So if we multiply 3 into 12, we will get 36 because we have to make the numerator 36. Okay, understand? So multiplied both the numerator and denominator of 3 upon 8 by 12. So we will get the numerator 36. So write here 3 by 8 is equals to 3 into 12 and 8 multiplied by 12. So if we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 12, we will get the numerator 36 and 12 8 are 96. Okay, understand? So this is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 8 having numerator 36. Okay, understand? Now question number 2. 5 upon 7 having denominator 35. We have to make the denominator 35 here. So what should we multiply in 37 to get 35? So we multiplied by 5. Okay, so 35 is equals to 7 multiplied by 5. We will write this like that. Okay, so multiply 5 upon 7 by both numerator and denominator by 5. So we will write here 5 multiplied by 5 and 7 multiplied by 5. So what should we get? 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35. It means we will make the denominator 35. Okay, according to questions we will make the denominator 35. So this is the fraction of that number. Understand? Now the remaining questions you can solve yourself, and question number 5th we will see in the next video. Thank you.